Hey Glam fam, what's up? Forget to hit that subscribe button. If you don't know who I am, my name is Veronica. If you already are subscribed, you know I love you. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. Without any further ado, let's insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
So I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline cream and just clean up under my eyebrows. We're literally winging this look. I have no idea what look I'm gonna wear. A flat elf brush, and I'm just going to blend down. So you know, like when you're moving and you look like gross? Like, this is like the first day I've gotten to put on makeup. I missed you guys. Blur and Illuminate. This is in number 200. We'll just put that all over our face. L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-Hour Foundation. Put 2 pumps. Blend it in with my Morphe M439 brush. I also wanted to add, before I put this away, because I'm done blending it out, is that the blendability is incredible. It just is perfect. It doesn't oxidize, it doesn't do anything. I don't need to set it with powder. However, I am going to just dust this Too Faced Selfie, this like yellowish color right here. And I'm just gonna, may want to take some photos today, and this is really good for photos. Hashtag Too Faced No Filter Selfie Powders. I love these ever since the day I got them. The Maybelline Instant Rewind. So what did you guys think of Game of Thrones on Sunday? Let's talk about it in the comment section down below. Get me hooked on something besides makeup. Online shopping, makeup, more makeup, wigs, more wigs. A little powder brush, and I'm gonna go into Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Setting Powder. Sets off the lid. Sometimes I bake, sometimes I don't. I say we get straight in the eyes. That's where the fun's at. I'm gonna go into this Take Me on Vacation palette by Kylie Jenner. I will even use her brush. I am going to take the first shade as a transition, which is like light. And I'm just gonna buff this all over my lid and brow bone. That's just gonna act as a perfect shade to blend our other colors. So in the crease, I am going to go into this nice brown here, this warm brown. The shade doesn't have a shade name, they're on the back. I miss my YouTube family. Like, I literally was like incomplete. Everybody knew it too. My husband's like, set up your room first so you can do a makeup tutorial. Take the fluffy side of the brush and just blend that out so there's no harsh lines. One right here. Do you guys see how pretty that is? And then we're just going to take our blendy side again, and we're just going to buff around where we laid that lid color because we want everything to mesh seamlessly. My Morphe E36, I am going to go into this shade right here. Put it right on my brow bone. So put it in my inner corner right there. Gives me life. This angled brush. Go into this lighter brown and mix it a little bit with this brown in the back. And then I'm just going to contour my nose with it. I do have to look at the mirror. My e.l.f. flat brush as always, and I am going to blend it to the sides. And then you really blend here because there's nothing worse than having a line right there. Put a good highlight down the middle, you have a snatched nose. That's just the way it goes. Go back into the same color that I used and just bring it down the middle part of my nose. I try to avoid this area up here because there's lines there, so I stay right down the middle. Okay, for lower lash line, I know this doesn't even match at all, but I don't care. I bought the whole palette for this color. I'm going into, I'm going to put some blue into my life. A light dusting, but I just want to make sure it's all off. Favorite bronzer on the planet Earth. That's this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It in the color 03 Deep. Profound for shade reference. Daisy Fuentes stippling brush. Could use a mirror. Did you see that? I just like, oopsie. No mirror there. For blush, Fun with Friends in the Super Shock Cheek by ColourPop Cosmetics kind of brush, like this angled brush. This is more of like a cream product, and I'm just gonna tap because I don't want too much blush. The Wet n Wild Mega Glow Face Mist. If you guys saw my drugstore haul And if you didn't see it, I'll link it in the description box below. You must see it. It's such a good haul. And I picked up this not knowing what it was. Ended up being such a good setting spray. This is the spray. I want to show you guys. I don't want to waste it, but it's such a perfect fine mist. And it makes your makeup look so good. You know how we do jam sesh? I just moved, so I don't have Wi-Fi, so I don't know how I'm going to put music in the background, but I'll figure it out for jam sesh. So if you're new to my channel, jam sesh is when we spray our face, and while we're waiting for the setting spray to dry, we jam out a little bit to music in the background, then we add our highlighter, because if you add the highlighter on a wet face, you will get a stripe, and that's not fly. So yeah, jam sesh, y'all.
Full face, baby.
Cut. Okay, today I'm going in with the Betty Lou Manizer highlighter by The Balm. I have not used this in so long. So I'm going to take that on my Morphe M510 brush. And it's just a little sample that I got from Ipsy. But oh my god, I freaking love this highlighter. I love this stuff. Looks, it's like all vintage. You guys see that? I have to do a nude lip because look at my eyes. Let's try this NARS lipstick. This is in the color... Let me get my glasses. What this is. Ooh, Orgasm. Ooh, let's try this. This will be cool. Looks like this. I love the feel of it. You know what it reminds me of? Their blush. It is like, just like the blush. It's like a beautiful, beautiful... Oh, I actually love this. Okay, so it's like a light ballet pink, but with like a gold... Not shimmer, a gold sheen. There's no sparkles. It's not gritty. Look at this up close. Let me see if I can move this video camera. It's so, so pretty. Mascara, I'm going to go on in with the Smashbox Super Fan mascara in the old color black. It's actually a very beautiful neighborhood. The girl in the Walmart last night was saying that like only the very rich can live here. I'm thinking to myself, well... I'm not rich and I don't live here. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. I think I should try on the wig that my son gave me for Mother's Day. I haven't even been able to unbag it. I will be right back. I hope you guys love this makeup look. Just nice and simple, just nice and natural, nice welcome home. I missed you guys' makeup look. I'll be right back. She is just beautiful. This is right out of the box, but you could just add a little baby powder. But I mean, do you see these highlights? Do you see this hairline? Do you see this? Like what like with the move I couldn't like really like I was just trying to get around. I couldn't like try it on or appreciate it. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you love it as much as I love you guys. Do not forget to subscribe and I will see you very soon in my next video. Peace.